Hello and welcome to Playtime 4. Today we will be working with page 5. We will be using grids. Do you know what a grid is? Well, a grid looks like this. Now, let me show you how we are going to use our grid. We are going to start off by writing 1, 2, 3 along the top. Okay, and now we are going to write 4, 5, 6 down the sides. Next to the numbers down the side of the grid, we are going to put the subtraction or minus sign. Now we are going to subtract the numbers on the top of the grid from the numbers on the side of the grid to find out the different square names. Let me show you how. Let's go to 4 minus on the side of the grid. And then we will go to 1 at the top of the grid. Now, we go along to the square where these numbers meet. And now we can enter the name of the square. What would the square's name be? That's right, the square would be 3 because 4 minus 1 equals 3. Let's do another. If we were to do 6 minus 3, where would they meet and what would be the name of the square? Okay, so we go to 6 minus. We go across from here and then we go to 3 and we go down from here and they meet at this square. And what would be the name of the square? That's right, it would be 3 because 6 minus 3 equals 3. Let's do 4 minus 3. Where would they meet and what would be the name of the square? 4 minus 3. And the name of the square? 1. That's correct because 4 minus 3 equals 1. Great, you are really doing well. Now, if we were to do 4 minus 2, where would they meet and what would be the name of the square? They would meet here and the name of the square is 2 because 4 minus 2 is 2. Excellent work. Now we're about to do something just a little different. We are going to place some pictures in the grid like this. Now, as you can see, some squares have one thing in it, some have 2 things, some have 3 things, and some more than 3. Now I will give you a number and you will say what square has that number of things in it. In what square can I find 5 things? Well, I think that it is square 1A. What do you think? That's right, there are 5 monkeys in this picture. So the right answer would be square 1A. Let's do another. In which square can I find 3 items? Well, in square 2A, there are 3 horses. But what other square contains 3 things? Can you see? That's right, it is square 3C. The picture is of 3 birds. Very good. Well, that's all we have time for today. Bye for now.